You can't use the same thinking or the laws of the air to understand the ocean. So no matter how much we try to describe the depths of the ocean, we are not describing the ocean. We're describing a concept of the concept of a concept.
It's been huge. It's been a great day. It is really well worth it. You will get a lot out of it.
Handling all of our emotions. They're not tools to avoid emotion.
I would do it again in a heartbeat. And so I think what we need to remember is that we are worth it. When we show up with an intention to create change, then we can create massive transformation.
It was amazing. I honestly, it exceeded all of my expectations. I went in there thinking that I really didn't know what to expect. I knew it was going to be awesome because of the trainers, but I tell you what, it took it to another level.
I love what we created today. I look forward to continuing this journey, and I really look forward to hearing about what the people who enter the next time this runs experience.